Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this quick watch over my shoulder demo using the LSP Hallmark presets in Evoto. One click and you're done, and you can sync to the whole gallery. Or maybe more than one click, but you know, it's super fast anyway. This beautiful image on my screen by Kat sent in. Gorgeous little girl, beautiful scene. And a really lovely one to edit with, I think, to show you a few things that these presets can do and other things that you can do if you come up at any issues when editing in Evoto. And you can drag the changes and sync them across to your whole gallery. So the first thing you want to do, and please do watch video number 1 if you're unsure about how to use presets in Evoto or how these work, because video number 1 I go into how to get them into Evoto and what each section does. So we're in the all-in-one first. I recommend starting here because this is going to make changes across your entire image, and then you can go through the sections if you want to and tweak and customize. So I'm just going to go through and click one of these. That's Mini Magic. I'm just going to find out balancer I quite like. Classic, Hallmark. Let's just go through which one we might want to use. I think balancer worked really well. Sorry, you can probably hear my Ring doorbell in the background there. The children are very in and out today. So if you've got real-time colour adjustments turned on, at this point you might want to turn it off, because that way it's going to apply all the skin edits included in the preset too. There we see before and after, completely retouched. If you want to change the level of retouching, you can come down to the skin retouch section in the presets, and you can switch to gentle, which is a bit calmer, or painterly, which is a complete skin edit for those real kind of fine arts. So I think for this I'm just going to switch to complete, and you can see that's already taken care of some of the classic things the little ones get on their skin this time of year. I'm just going to use a little healing brush. This is just a bit of manual. You just calm down a little bit, just there, and perhaps make it nice and small. There, and hit OK. So we've done the skin edit now, and we've done the background edit in a couple of clicks, so before and after. Now of course we do have these going on. What you might want to do at this point is crop in. I'm just changing my crop on here. The crop on Evoto can be a little bit fiddly. I'm just going to change to a portrait crop and see how that one goes. I mean, that's cute. Or you can crop in a little bit closer. It's entirely up to you. You could go into Photoshop and use generative fill on these areas, or you could leave them exactly as they are. I might come down into the background section and choose dark edges. It's just going to add a darker vignette around, so we're bringing our attention in to the subject here in the middle. So before and after. Kat's kindly sent another image from this series, so I'm just going to shift and select both images, making sure I've clicked first on my edited one, and hit sync. And what this is going to do, whether you selected one image or 10 or 20 or 100 or 200, I don't think there's a limit, this is just going to sync those changes. So did you see there, before and after? And you can just sync everything across the entire gallery. So please do watch video number 1, the other video tutorials too. If you purchase these, you get access to your Evoto area in the LSP Actions account. You just set up a password with the email address you used to purchase, and you'll see all the tutorials in there. So I hope you love them, and thanks again, Kat, for sending these beautiful images in. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.